Hey everybody, this is Ron and Sarah from River City Real Estate. We'd like to take 60 seconds and show you some of our Energy Star rated subdivisions that we're currently working on here in the Grand Valley. Starting from the east and working our way west, our first up is the Harrogate subdivision. Harrogate is a 21 lot subdivision located on the east side of 33 Road. This subdivision has amazing views of the Mount Garfield and the Mesa and falls into the Palisades School District. It's in a country setting but close to amenities and like all of our homes, Energy Star rated. It's priced from $228,000 to $254,000 with 5 different floor plans to choose from. Next up, we're going to take you over to the Graff Meadow subdivision, located right behind Graff Dairy on the corner of 29 Road and Patterson. This brand new development already has 3 homes under contract, and although centrally located, is nestled back off of Patterson, giving it a very private feeling. What I love about this place is the location. It's across the street from the grocery store and minutes from the I-70 corridor. Priced from $245,000 to $259,000 with multiple floor plans to choose from, we're offering upgraded carpets and flooring options, granite kitchen countertops, and vaulted ceilings.
The Grove is a multifamily unit subdivision in the highly desired north area of Grand Junction. Located just west of 25 Road and F1/4 Road, these Energy Star townhomes are desirable among homeowners and investors alike. With each filing increasing in price, your investment in these units will gain instant equity. You'll enjoy the perks of being centrally located close to shopping, restaurants, and outdoor recreation at Canyon View Park.
Brookfield Subdivision brings a new concept of living to Grand Junction by carefully combining modern farmhouse design with high-efficiency homes. Located off 21.5 Road and I in North Grand Junction.
Synergy Builders will start the first 13 lots, which include 5 separate house plans ranging in price from the low to mid 300,000s, all Energy Star rated in feature and design.
For more information regarding our product or to learn more about Energy Star standards, please visit
rivercitygj.com or energystar.gov.